embarrassed. Do me a favour. Can you just crouch down just a little bit? Thank you so much. Before we start with the official interview question, I just want to ask you, well, my actual question was, who is the tallest, your mother or your father?
My mother.
How tall is your mother?
5'11".
Wow. Was she a silver fan?
Sorry?
Was she a silver fan? Okay. You just come forward and stand here. He's looking very, very beautiful tonight. Okay, grab yourself a question from the table. Thank you. And you pick two. Watching. How would you promote the importance of our Samoan heritage and culture to a group of New Zealand-born Samoan youth? I'll repeat the question. How would you promote the importance of our Samoan heritage and culture to a group of New Zealand-born Samoan youth?
Thank you for the question. You must have self-belief in themselves as Samoans. It embraces love and admiration as to hold on to their traditional values, and therefore it gives a sense of self-fulfillment and pride as Samoan youth of Tuisalega.
Great answer.
Tuisalage's Puletasi was designed entirely by her, and the style was inspired by a late grandmother's sewing. She chose the color red as it represents our Samoan flag in the blood that was spilled from Tupua Tamasese and other leaders fighting for our independence. Red is very significant and is also Langi's favorite color as it shows her love and appreciation to her people. The color brings a rich and vibrant feel to it, which highlights a woman's femininity, whereas the color white and gold symbolizes peace and Samoa's 50 years long supportive background, and she carries it with pride and elegance. Ladies and gentlemen, Palangi chant for Lau Tuisalega.
Ladies and gentlemen, for contestants 1 and 2, next is the answer Sayuri Salvatore and Vavangilani Chankulau Tuisalega.